Like, you mean like the wave challenge thing?
No problem,
Top
man.
60.
Yeah.
It's not even a wave challenge, it's the first 20% wave.
Yeah, it's the hardest part.
Yeah, I
Thanks
know.
for the rose, Caden. I appreciate it, man. He can't stop
No,
me.
the level, bro,
Dude, you're
like
like,
50 to
you're
100 is so
5'10",
easy.
you're 5'10" horizontally, dude. And then you're 4 foot. Stop telling me when you're 5'10". Horizontally does not count. What the other side do? Waited 8 months for a bug fix just to get incredible luck. That's crazy.
I remember that one day when everyone in chat hated Caden, and I started it.
Caden, thanks for the rose again, man. About to meet your old friend tomorrow? That's sick. What's up, Haven? Third least amount of attempts on Extreme Red World Uprise. Yeah, I mean, that's just insane. 243 attempts for a whole Extreme game.
Out.
That's pretty good. Photographing memories in IRL hack. Bro, I don't even know how that shit works, but clearly it's
Is Caden simping again?
pretty fucking good.